Welcome to this short video that introduces the Praxis framework process model for projects and programs. Before getting into any detail, I'll quickly explain what we mean by a process model. A typical life cycle starts with an idea and then comprises a number of phases that should be completed to realize the expected benefits. This starting example is a very simple linear representation. When expressed as a full model, additional processes, decision points, and documentation are added. Over the next 2 minutes, I'll briefly explain how the model works. The overall process starts with a mandate. This is a simple expression of the original idea and triggers identification, which has the objective of clarifying the requirement and deciding whether investing in more detailed definition work is worthwhile. It's at this point that the decision whether to run the work as a project or a program is made. The output is a brief which is submitted to the sponsor for consideration. If the sponsor doesn't give approval, the work is closed. But if they do, we can move on to definition. The aim here is to develop a more detailed picture of the project or program, including a full business case. Once again, this is submitted to the sponsor for approval. A rejection here also leads to closure, while acceptance triggers delivery. Delivery covers the coordination of development work and monitoring of progress. It delegates work packages to development, which returns them for acceptance when completed. On larger projects and all programs, it will be necessary to break delivery down into 2 or more stages. The boundaries process covers the initiation and conclusion of these stages. Once the last stage is complete, closure is used to demobilize the team and tie up loose ends. Ultimately, the outputs produced result in outcomes and business benefits. The realization of these benefits may be included within the scope of a project and are invariably included within the scope of a program. Some benefits realization may continue after the project or program has been closed. Finally, a benefits review quantifies the benefits achieved and compares these with what was set out in the business case. This has been a very quick overview of the processes in the methods section of the Praxis framework. To understand the model in more detail and how it can be adapted to different contexts, follow the QR code to the project and program process page or use the link in the post.